Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once you have WordPress open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you will see an option labeled Login. Click on this login option to begin the process of accessing your WordPress account. After clicking Login, you will be presented with several methods of signing in. Select the option to continue with Google. When you choose this option, a list of Google accounts associated with your browser may appear. Simply select the account you wish to use to log in. This step is designed to streamline the login process by using your existing Google credentials, making it easier and quicker to access your dashboard. After successful login, direct your focus to the Quick Links section located on your WordPress interface. Within this section, look for an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will allow you to enter the site editor, which is the area where you can modify the appearance and functionality of your website. This section is intuitive and designed to handle various elements of website customization, including the integration of new widgets. Within the site editor, move your attention to the top left corner where you will find a plus icon. Clicking on the plus icon is your next step. The plus icon is a gateway to adding new components to your website, and by clicking on it you open a menu of available widgets and elements that you can incorporate into your site design. Once you have clicked the plus icon, you should be prompted to search for a specific widget. In the search field that appears following this action, type in the word appointment. Typing in appointment helps to narrow down the list and quickly brings up the booking widget options designed for scheduling and managing appointments on your website. After entering the search term, your screen will display a list of available widgets related to appointments. At this point, look for a widget labeled Appointment Form and click on it. The Appointment Form widget is tailored to facilitate bookings and allows visitors to schedule appointments directly through your website. Confirming this selection will insert the appointment form into your site's layout. With the appointment form added to your site, you now have an opportunity to personalize and customize it further. Depending on your preferences and the needs of your business, you can modify various fields, labels, and settings within the form to better suit your booking process. When you are satisfied with the modifications you have made to the appointment form, ensure that you save your work by clicking the Save option. Saving your changes is crucial to secure the configuration of your appointment form before you continue with any further adjustments. This process enhances the functionality of your WordPress website by incorporating an efficient and user-friendly booking widget. Each step has been designed to ensure that adding the appointment form is straightforward and can be completed in a matter of minutes. Following these clear instructions, you have successfully integrated the booking widget into your website. Enjoy the improved interactivity that this feature brings to your online presence, creating a more dynamic experience for your visitors.